Hi, folks. This is Saurabh Kesha this side. I hope you guys are doing good in your life. This is the trading episode 2, and today we'll discuss on these topics. The first topic is, should you do a trading course? And the second topic will be, what is my biggest profit and loss till today in a stock market? So, and I will also tell the story behind the mindset or the feelings at that point of time. Now, the first part is, should you do a trading course? What I think is that there's a difference between trading and investing. When you trade, you invest your money for a certain period of time. But when you are a kind of an investor, you put money on the basis of the company, how the company performs, the fundamentals. So when you are looking for an investment for years, go for the company, not for any trading course. Now, the second thing comes is the trading. What happens if you find a good place where you have your own trust or your personal reviews you have from some people? So, what you can do is you could take that trading course, because the people who has been in trading from last like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, or 4 years, they will definitely try to put you 1 year or 2 years ahead in your trading career. So whatever the mistake they have made, you could rectify them without making the mistake. So it's like learning from their failures. You should not always need to fail to learn. You could learn from others' failures. So the question arises, which is the best platform according to me? Now, see, I will tell you one thing. The trading courses are like schools, our schools. There are the toppers, there are the average guys, and there are the people who are failing. So take it as like 20% who will provide you trading things. 80% you have to do it by yourself. I can't compare actually, because I have done it from only one platform. So I can't compare it with any school, because I think any school you go, you learn from it. You will, if you are doing good in that school, you will always feel good about the school. But if you're not doing good, you will always feel bad about the school. So it happens, it's the natural thing. But go wherever you find conviction, wherever you find trust. So go and do that trading course. And once you have invested your money, have the full faith in it, forget everything, and just listen to your trading guide or mentor, or the people who are from in where you have invested your money. Now, coming to the most important question, what are my biggest profit and loss in the market till today? I will show you. And what was the logic? Just give what was the logic behind it. Uh, okay, so the people who doesn't know, this is the PNL of Zerodha, and this is my PNL of equity of 2 3 days, where I made my most money and where I have lost my most money. Now here you could see, here is the Dr. Reddy, the trade which I took on a single day and made around 63,770.6 rupees in a single day in a single trade. So this was my one of my biggest profits till today in share market. And I could say I was at the top of the world. I thought that I have been this world. So this was the day, because I was very new to the market. It's around September. I started trading like in August, first week of August. So this is the thing. Now here is the my biggest loss also, future retail. And this trade, Dr. Reddy trade was based on the news. There was some news going on and the market was going up. I invested, market supported me, and I made the money. So it was totally gambling, nothing else. Because see, after that I found that uh, sometimes news give you the money, sometimes don't. And it's 50-50%. So when there's 50-50, it's gambling in share market. Okay. Now here is the future retail. It's also my biggest loss. That is around 50,105.2. And it was not on a single day. It was a swing trade actually. Swing trade, if you don't know. So where we hold the stock for like two through 3 days or week or a month. That is called swing trading. Okay. So in future retail, there was a news like fight between Amazon and Reliance, and I bought it. I thought that it will go up only because it was going up already. So on that news based, I took the trade and I lost around like 40% of my capital at this point of time in a single trade. And I was not knowing what to do next. So this was my biggest profit and loss in equity. Then there was also losses in and profits in futures and derivatives. Okay, sorry, in derivatives. So this is a futures and option. So I am an option buyer because I have less capital, and this was my biggest profit of 2 days. So you could see one of the trade I took where I made 8,137. It was an expiry day, Wednesday, Thursday. So I made a profit of around like 30,000 in 2 days time. So this was 27, this is 28. I think it is on uh, Thursdays or Fridays. I don't know. It is on Wednesday and Thursday, man. Yeah. So this was my biggest profits, and yeah, this was on based on technical analysis, but I invested like it was one of the risk I took. I invested a lot of capital here, my full capital. So the capital was on around I think 60K, and I invested whole on this point of time. Now here comes the biggest losses in futures and options, and it is also a 2 days loss. So it was around the budget days where I shouldn't take a PE trade. If you don't know about the PE trade, it's like market was going up and my conviction was that it will go down due to some technical analysis, my own analysis, and I made, and since I was investing my whole capital, you could see I made a loss of around 27,135 in a single day, in a single trade. So it's actually in a 2 days trade, I think so. Yeah. So this was my biggest loss, 27,135, which actually cost me around like 33,000 in 2 days. So this was the journey of my biggest profit and loss till today. I don't know. This will increase or decrease in next upcoming days, months, or years. If there will be something good or amazing, I will definitely tell you. So the purpose of the video is to make you aware that it's neither easy nor difficult. If you feel it easy or difficult, it's all about the knowledge and time you spend in the market. The market gives you returns accordingly. I hope you like this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos on trading and entrepreneurship. Thank you.